Today we're going to look at the Llano HDMI transmitter. So it's going to be connected to the PC, and we're going to send the signal out to this monitor right here. Okay, so it does come with the HDMI cable. I already connected it to the HDMI input of the monitor. It does come with its own USB-C connection. But let's take a look at it. So I'll show you how this works. So we have the HDMI out. So we're going to take these apart. Okay. So this is the receiver. So this is the part that's going to be connected to HDMI. But this is very important. This by itself connected here is not going to detect the signal. So what you need to do first is you want to connect it to the USB-C there and bring power to it, which I already did. So I already connected that. So let's take a look at that right now. Okay, so now we have it connected to power, and we're going to see that this is lit up. And now we have the screen that tells you what you need to do in order to get this running. And it gives you some indications of what each of these does. So it's on the screen. And if you need to find it on your phone or your PC or your Apple device, this is exactly how you will connect it. So here, this button is not a power button. This is an orientation button. So when you push this, it's going to change the orientation of your scene. So there it's flipping it around and then back to where it needs to be. So now you know that you're ready to be accepting the signal out of your device. So for my demonstration here, we have the PC. They also provide this long cable in case you need more room, more space, or you want to just use it with the cable. But I just like to connect it directly. And so you're going to find the USB port. Oh, by the way, here are some instructions to come with it. So in case you need the instructions, it'll tell you how to do that. But let's take the transmitter and we're going to connect it directly to the PC. And we're going to find the USB-C connection here. If you don't have USB-C, you can always get an adapter. So let's connect it to the PC. Okay, so it's now connected. You see that it's going to be blinking. That means it's ready to accept the signal. Okay, so let's turn on the PC and let's see what it looks like once it's casting on the screen. So it's going to be turning on. Let me okay, so here we are. Now it is mirroring whatever I have on my PC, and we'll just play a little short video here, and we'll get that going. Okay, so there we go. You can see right on the monitor, the signal's being detected right from a transmitter right to the screen, and it looks really good. So the sound is also coming out from the speakers. It's sending the audio signal as well to the device. So there you go. No wires needed, and you can walk around with your PC once you have it all connected. I'll demonstrate that now. So as you can see, we removed the monitor. It's completely away from the desk. All that there is the power. Okay, and there you go. That's how you use the Llano to cast your image on a separate display using the HDMI transmitter.